Welcome to my English podcast. Hello, today I want to talk about my own English learning journey. When I started learning English, I knew almost nothing. I would open videos, but I didn't understand a single word. People spoke so fast, I couldn't recognize sentences, but I had a desire inside me. I wanted to learn. Perhaps that was the most important thing, wanting it and not giving up. At first, I just listened. Even if I didn't understand, I listened every day. I wanted my ears to get used to it. After a while, I started hearing some words repeatedly. Then I began to guess sentences. Sometimes I felt what was being said just from the tone of voice. Over time, my ears heard more, and my brain started understanding more. When I was alone at home, I always tried to speak English. While making my coffee in the morning, I said, "Today is a good day." On my way to the market, I tried to say what I saw around me in English. I started with simple sentences like, "The sky is blue, that tree is big." Every day I learned a few more words and used them. Whenever I had the opportunity at school or work, I stayed close to people who spoke English. Sometimes I just listened, sometimes I tried to speak. At first, I was very shy, I mispronounced words, and sometimes I couldn't form a sentence at all, but I kept going because I knew it would happen with time. I didn't just see English as a lesson, I tried to incorporate it into my life. I watched cooking recipes in English. When watching movies, I first tried with subtitles, then without. I listened to English music. At first, I just liked the rhythm, but then I started to understand the lyrics too. One day I realized that I was starting to understand some things without translating them into Turkish anymore. In other words, I started thinking in English. That's when a lot changed. Talking to myself helped a lot. I stood in front of the mirror and said, "How are you today?" and answered myself. It sounded silly, but it freed me. I gave myself permission to make mistakes, because it wouldn't happen without speaking. The more I spoke, the braver I became. In meetings at work, maybe I could only say a few words, but I said them, because I knew saying something is better than saying nothing at all. Every word, every sentence brought me one step closer to speaking freely.